Hey guys, Henry Guerra here with Guerra Industries. Now, I've been wholesaling since 2016. When I first started out, I was doing pre-foreclosures. I took $70 and paid for a foreclosure list in my county and got a deal the very first day I set out to wholesale. I assigned that deal to an investor and we closed in about 2.5 weeks and I made $8,500. 2 weeks after that, I did another deal for 9,215 and then went on from there doing several more deals. Fast forward to today, I am still wholesaling real estate and now I train people in multiple cities across the US and partner with them on deals. Feel free to check out the reviews from some of my students on how they felt about the training they received. And in my training, I will actually explain the exact same process that I did to get my pre-foreclosure deals, and that process still works to this day. Now, in training, you will learn every single step, A to Z, the entire process on wholesaling real estate, and it is extremely detailed. Training is not like on YouTube where it's mostly just an overview. In training, you will learn how to get your leads, what to say to homeowners, how to negotiate, how to run the numbers, how to fill out the contracts, how to work with contractors, how to work with realtors if needed, how to work with title companies, how to find and work with buyers. You will be 100% fully trained on how to wholesale real estate, and you can do this while still having a full or part-time job. Now, you can wholesale in your city or virtually in any city across the USA. I teach both methods in my training. The way I teach wholesaling is to find the investors first. There are tons of them. If the numbers are good, they will come running to your deals. You're going to figure out exactly what they want to invest in and then go out and find it. That way, you are not just out looking for properties blindly. Once you locate the house, you're going to contact the owners. Then we're going to negotiate back and forth. Once we agree on a price, we're going to write up the contract. Then we're going to send that contract to title for processing. Next, we're going to assign the contract to an investor and wait for title to confirm a closing date. Then the investor is going to pay for the property at closing. And then right after closing is when we get paid our commission, which is called an assignment fee. The title company will issue you a check or send you a wire. In training, I will teach you how it all works, A to Z, step by step, every single detail explained. Now, besides wholesaling houses, in training, you're also going to learn how to wholesale vacant land for home builders, and you're going to learn how to wholesale construction work for investors. Now, this might be brand new for most people because they don't even know about this, but I've been doing it since 2016 and it works. One thing I want you to keep in mind is that this opportunity is not a job. No one's your boss. No one's clocking you in. No one's asking you what you're doing and if you're making calls or when you're going to work. It's not like that. This is your own business, your own independent contracting business. That's what you're going to learn how to do, and then you're going to go out and do it. Now, let's just say you wanted to become a realtor, then you would go to real estate school and get trained. You would pay a couple $1,000s for that, and then you would get your license, and then you would go work underneath a broker who will then help you and kind of guide you along your deals. Well, in order to learn wholesaling, you're going to have to go through some training. We're going to get you taught. It's 8 hours worth of training. You're going to go through it all. You're going to learn step by step exactly how to wholesale real estate. And then when you're done, you're going to make a decision. You're going to decide, do I want to partner with Henry and have him mentor me on deals? Or would I rather just go off and do it myself? That's your choice to make. I only am willing to partner with those who want to partner with me. I'm not going to force anyone to partner with me. That's why in training, I teach you fully 100% how to wholesale real estate. I don't hold anything back. You are 100% taught exactly how to do it step by step, and then you're going to go out and do it. So I don't want you to look at this as a job. I want you to look at this as a career, as an independent business where you're your own independent contract person. This concludes category 2 on training. And if you would like information on partnering and mentorship, then see the next section below.